So now that we have the widgets created, we have to create the coding under the Mutant AI character blueprint. So we're going to get this widget, and we got to get a couple things. We're going to get widget object, and this is going to be the wildcard to cast to the AI health bar. Okay? And now we're going to plug this into event begin play so that it's going to read this right off the start. And we're going to plug this in right in between cast the arrow and set health so that we can get the health widget variable that we created, and it'll read the health at simultaneously as it gets the health from the actual character health. So we're going to do off the variable get AI health, or I'm sorry, we're going to set the AI health, and we're going to plug this in after set health of mutant AI and plug it into the branch and plug this in along with the less than or equal to 0 into the set health. And now that we play it, look at that. Now you can start having some fun in your game rather than just coding and looking to have fun in your game. So happy creating, and I hope you watch the rest of the tutorials.